How to check in Etihad Airways online. So if you want to check in Etihad Airways online, then first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, open up your Google or your browser and search for the Airways. After that, you will have the official website. Just go and tap on it. And now you can go with login or sign up. If you want to log into your account, just simply go with the upper right and then log into your account. Now, once you've logged in, you need to go with the upper right, which has that three dots, and then you need to go with desktop site. And once you're on your desktop site, you can go with the three horizontal lines, and then you will find an option of check-in. You need to tap on check-in. You can go with either online checking or home checking or flight status. So go with online and enter your booking a reference or ticket number and your last name. Then click on check-in. You'll have the field to enter your information right here, trip reference or ticket number, and then your last name, and tap on check-in, which will be on the right side. And that's how you can check in Etihad Airways online. If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching.